Hi y'all. Hey, I hope y'all are being safe out there. So before you start any recipe, make sure you wash your hands with soap and water. Okay? Make sure your hands are clean, because if you're gonna be sharing this with somebody else, you don't want them to get your germs. Okay? You don't want them to get your germs. Alright? Yeah. The reason I made this is because I was in a store. I was in Target. Shout out to Target. They had them LPSs. Went and got some. I got a cute little bird. I'll take a picture of it and show y'all later. So anyway, I might put it in the end of this video, and then y'all can tell me which LPSs y'all got. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so I made this because they had the seasoned gummy bears and bats, but they didn't have seasoned gummy worms. That's the whole reason for this video. I have the ingredients that I use. I'm showing you the process that I did. I hope you enjoy. But tell me in the comments if you make it, or if you've made it already. How do you store yours? And if for those of y'all that may have questions on how do you make it for a larger amount of people, you would calculate the number of bags of gummies that you're going to use, but I wouldn't season all of those gummies for a large group of people. I would separate it out for the amount of people that you're having to come, and then put seasoning over to the side of that. Like have a container of gummies, a container of seasoning, and have them have individually season it themselves. It may be extra work for them, but you do not want to waste your gummies if they do not like it. That's why, because this isn't for everybody's palate. Let's just be honest. Everybody not gonna like the way this tastes. Everybody not gonna like the texture of gummy bears or gummy snakes. I use gummy bears and gummy snakes because that's what I like. And I have plans to do some gummy cherries. I will make a video when I do the gummy cherries, because I know that's gonna be fire. And the gummy unicorns. I know it's gonna be good. And I have suspicions that the gummy cola gonna be good too. So this is what I've done. I hope y'all enjoy. Please subscribe, like the video. Let me know if you want me to make another gummy seasoning video. Put it in the comments. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.